Hey, what's going on everyone? This is Chase here at Rocky Mountain. Thank you for stopping by. So today's video, I have the Tusk UTV 4-point safety harness on, and that's what this video is all about. In my opinion, I think that a safety harness in a UTV is one of the best and most important safety upgrades that you can make. And it doesn't matter if you're just gonna be recreational riding or if you're gonna be out riding aggressive. And I'm gonna tell you from firsthand experience, I've rolled a UTV before and it happened in a scenario where I wasn't driving overly aggressive. I was completely comfortable and it just kind of happened out of nowhere. Luckily in that situation, I was wearing a safety harness, and I'm gonna tell you right now that these will just secure you and the passengers much more than just a standard seatbelt is going to. I also just like it too, if you are gonna be driving aggressive, you know, if you're going through a whooped out section, you're bouncing around a lot, and these will just kind of help keep you in place that entire time. Now, a couple big updates here with the new Tusk 4-point harness is, first of all, you have the easy adjusters. So you have that with the shoulder straps and the waist adjuster. Very easy to cinch these down, but what's nice is that when it comes time to get out, you just have these little red tabs here, and all I got to do is just pull up on that and it loosens them very easily. So if you do have an accident and you need to get out quickly, that will allow you to loosen the straps and get out as fast as possible. Another big upgrade too is now you are using an automotive style buckle. So very easy to get in and out, just click shut, very secure, so very comfortable. It's a 3-inch nylon webbing, again, super high quality, nice big pads here on the shoulder straps for all day comfort. And yeah, plenty of adjustability. Charles, our how-to mechanic, he's done a how-to video. He goes through and shows you step by step how to get some of these installed on your side by side. But a couple things to note. So when it comes to proper fitment, what you want to make sure of is that this sternum strap is at minimum 4 inches below your neck. So find a good location right here on the chest. That's adjustable as well. And when you're installing these, like I said, Charles did that how-to video, you want to make sure that these shoulder straps, depending on the vehicle that you have, aren't going to be able to slide off your shoulders. And if you look at the bar in the back of this machine, well, what we actually installed are the Tusk UTV safety harness retainer straps, which prevent these from wanting to slide off your shoulders while you're driving. So you want to be mindful of those things when you're getting those installed. And then again, with all the adjustability, get the passengers in the vehicle, get everything adjusted correctly before you go out and ride. But like I said, one of the big upgrades here is how quickly you can get out of these things when you do need to. But as I mentioned, safety harness is one of the best upgrades you can get. These are very high quality at an awesome price point. So grab yours today. Last thing I will say is that they're sold individually. And when you buy them, they are machine specific for this reason. The driver's side will come with a bypass switch for your seat belt, and then for the rest of your vehicle, you would just buy the passenger. So for this KRX4, if you're gonna buy 4 of them, you would buy a driver's side and then 3 passenger, you're good to go. If you have questions, comments, so please leave those down below. We'll help get those answered. To grab yours, again, click the link, head to Rocky Mountain right now. We ship for free over $75, and to stay up to date on the latest and greatest products like these, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel. I'm Chase, we'll see you on the trails.